Hey there, amazing people of the Pawns.app community. I'm super thrilled to share some fantastic news with you today. You asked, we listened, and now it's here. The incredible new feature on Pawns.app, the Quest tab. This tool is not just cool, it's a game changer in boosting your earnings and winning big prizes. So stick with me until the end as we dive into how you can use this feature to maximize your Pawns.app experience. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are these quests? Think of them as small, medium, and even bigger tasks that you can complete to earn special Pawns points. These tasks range from verifying your email, sharing bandwidth, completing surveys, to inviting friends to join Pawns.app. The more tasks that you complete, the more points that you rack up. And the best part, you can exchange these points for awesome rewards like earnings boosts, cash rewards, or even lottery tickets to win awesome prizes. Now, you might be wondering, how do I start? It's super simple. Begin by completing smaller tasks to unlock the full potential of the Quest tab. As you progress, you'll unlock daily, weekly, monthly, and even special quests, each with its unique set of rewards. And here comes the exciting part. What do you get for completing these tasks? Imagine turning your Pawns points into an earnings boost, adding cash directly to your balance, or getting special tickets to win grand prizes. It's like turning your everyday app activities into a treasure hunt. So there you have it, folks. The Quest tab on Pawns.app is here to transform the way that you earn and enjoy the app. Are you as excited as we are? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about this new feature and what kind of quests you'd love to see. We're open to your suggestions and ideas. As always, thanks for tuning in. Keep questing, keep earning, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay awesome, and remember, with Pawns.app, every day is an opportunity to win big. Bye for now.